If you're thinking about moving to Albuquerque, New Mexico, here's the truth. You might just pick the wrong area, the wrong home, or the wrong timing, and not even realize it until you're already here. And at that point, it could be expensive to fix, because what you see online doesn't always tell you how it actually feels to live here. The energy of a neighborhood, the difference between two areas that might look the same on paper but live completely different in real life. Hi, I'm Stephen, and this channel is built to give you that clarity you need before you make a move. I'm going to show you New Mexico the way you need to see it, not just from behind a desk, but out in the field where it matters, inside real homes that are actually on the market for sale, in real neighborhoods you would actually consider moving to, and at price points that actually match what you're looking for. Some videos I'll walk you through homes so you can understand the market value and positioning at a deeper level. Some will break down different areas of town to help you decide where you think would be the best fit for you. And some I'll even take you out into the city so you can see and feel what life is like here before you even start packing. Because if you're relocating, you don't just need information, you need certainty. No fluff, no guesswork, just clarity you can actually use to make the right decision for you. So if you're serious about moving to New Mexico, hit subscribe. And if you want a clear plan instead of piecing things together on your own, then grab my free relocation guide below. Then drop a comment with what you're trying to figure out. Best areas, home styles, lifestyle, or something specific that you're stuck on and wanting to know more about. And I'll be happy to build content around that just for you.